evening. You've got Satya Prakash Mishra of the JDU, Arvind Kumar Bajpai of the LJP joining us. Satya Prakash Mishra, this is now becoming a political issue. We've just got statements from various political parties, one from the Congress also at this point, and I'll asking producers to put them out on the screen also. You have Mr. Surjewala of the Congress party saying, is Durga Puja a crime under the BJP NDA rule? Will BJP JDU government now beat Durga Ma devotees like animals? He says, will BJP JDU government shoot and kill an idol immersion of Durga Ma? This picture from Munger, Bihar, first beaten with sticks, then by police firing. Now, increasingly, questions are being raised over the conduct of the government and also in this case, the SP of the area, who's the daughter of a JDU leader. Satya Prakash Mishra ji, that was for you.
Are you getting my voice?
I am, sir. Please go ahead.
Yeah, it is very unfortunate incident, and such incidents should not be politicized at all. Where the common people, common policeman has died and injured and recovering inside a hospital. And Durga Ma is a Ma for everyone, every countryman who believes in Sanatan Sanskriti or the cultural festival of India. This matter has to be investigated thoroughly. Some bad miscreants, bad elements of the society might have entered into the procession of immersion, and they would have created some disturbance to the police and the common man as well. That led to such kind of incident, which is very unfortunate. My condolence to the family who died in this, and still they are recovering inside. So we pray for their better, speedy recovery. And whosoever doing politics on this issue is really shameful, very shameful, whether it is Surjewala, whether whosoever, whether Congress,
So your own
RJD,
alliance
whosoever.
partner has raised question marks over this.
No
The
alliance
Deputy
partner.
Chief Minister, Sushil Kumar Modi, has tweeted and asked EC to intervene.
No, EC to intervene because the government has very limited role during the code of conduct. When there is a code of conduct and the state is going to in election, so say there is very limited role to a state. So election commission's role comes there. So he has urged the election commission, whatever election commission took the stock of the incident and action come out with any action plan, it is duty of election commission. So he has urged that.
Okay, let me also bring out to you what Chirag Paswan has said on this matter. He said case under 302 should be registered directly against the Munger police and also against Nitish's Taliban rule, he says. He goes on to quote that short of devotees show that this is about Nitish's Taliban rule, immediately suspend the local SP, register FIR against Nitish Kumar ji, he says, under 302, 50 lakh rupees to the family of the mother and also a government job.
On the victims, to the victims' relief, definitely government would do everything possible. But there is a code of conduct. And on the Chirag Paswan's comment, he is talking out of proportion. Where is a Talibani rule? What nonsense? I don't want to use any wrong word against of him. But he is talking out of proportion. It is ruled with Kanun Ka Raj. And if some bad miscreants, bad elements of the society created such kind of incident, the police has to control, and the situation is under control as per the local administration and the IPS and SP and DM. And really the situation is under control. So he is talking out of proportion. I don't have to say anything on Chirag. Much more than this.
He is clearly saying there should be a case against Nitish Kumar, your chief ministerial candidate, directly on this issue.
Case must be against of the culprits who is directly involved in the incident. There has to be investigation, and the investigation is going on.
Okay.
So cases will be definitely against of those who created such kind of incident, and justice will be done in this case. But he is talking out of proportion. Case should be registered against Nitish Kumar. What is his pigment of his talking? I don't know. Who is his advisor and how he gets such kind of
Arvind Kumar Bajpai,
he's ridiculous. He's making himself a non-serious. He's making himself a non-serious politician of Bihar. He's a very non-serious. He's making himself by such kind of a statement.
All right. Mr.
He
Bajpai,
should
the
at
JDU is
least
saying
appeal for
Chirag
peace.
Paswan is a non-serious politician. He should not be politicizing an issue where lives have been lost and people are injured. Situation remains to be tense.
He is a second-time parliamentarian, and his father was 50 years history of
No, very
politics.
fine.
And
What
our
I'm
party is
trying to
once
tell
again,
you, and he
please
himself,
bear-
by making
please
such kind of
bear
a
with me.
statement, making
Satyaprakash,
himself radical.
let him make his
Yeah, okay,
opening
go ahead.
comment.
Go ahead.
I'll come back
I
to
have
you.
to-
Yeah. Mr. Bajpai, please.
Our party was registered in 2000, and he became president in 2018. How he can be non-serious payment? How demand can
By
be
making
illegal?
such a
Why
statement.
SP should not be suspended? Why Nitish Kumar should not resign on such an incident? What is wrong in it? How you can say that I am not a senior politician? I am an elected representative of a parliament. I am heading a party. Now I am in the election fray. You know, Nitish Kumar is under complete frustration. I am sorry. There is a corruption charges we are raising.
Right. But Mr. Bajpai, can I just intervene and ask you this? How
Yes.
can you raise questions? You're raising questions of law and order, right? How can that
Yes.
question only be raised against Nitish Kumar when the government
Who
is
is-
of NDA? If you have to question,
I-
then you have to question both.
I say the state head. Who is the state head? It is Nitish Kumar. Nitish Kumar has to take all the decisions. Now, what about Shivar? What about Buxar? Where child was killed, mother was raped. What happened? No police action. Shivar, what happened? Shoot and sight immediately. And Durga Puja Pandal. There are so many other ways to disperse the public at large. But why firing? It is showing that complete law and order failure in the state. This we are repeatedly stating before the public. And that's why the public is completely against the Nitish government, which is demonstrated in the meeting which is held by the Nitish Kumar. There is no public at all. And why the public is coming and attracting this Chirag Paswan and Tejasvi Paswan and Modi ji? And why the Modi ji distances himself from the Nitish Kumar? Why there was one-page advertisement, but there was no photo of the Nitish Kumar? So it is clearly visible that Nitish Kumar is completely failure in the present politics. 15 years he is talking about. Prime Minister said no, he performed only 3.5 years. So what about 11.5 years?
All right, let me
So
bring in
actually-
Satyaprakash Mishra back on this. Mr. Mishra, it's
Yes.
constantly emerging to be a case where Nitish Kumar is absolutely isolated in this battle of Bihar right now. Many have called him a backbencher. It's become Nitish versus the rest in Bihar. This latest incident is not going to help your party either.
First of all, I again urge that no political party should politicize such kind of incident. That happened. I'm not getting your voice.
We can hear you, sir. Please go ahead.
Okay, no politician should politicize such kind of incident. And second thing, Nitish Kumar is NDA leader. Why media is looking and peeping inside there is some problem in India? There is no problem in India. And again saying that he performed well. It was a Kanun ka Raj altogether every time. But sometimes some incident happened. And we brought those people to justice. Every criminals of Bihar is behind bar. No criminals of Bihar is out of jail. This is the credit of the Nitish Kumar government. And when I come to the non-serious allegation to Chirag, fine, you are very much elected politician, a celebrated politician, but when you make such kind of a statement, Talibani rule, Nitish Kumar has established a democratic rule. Everybody has, every people and every citizen of Bihar has a say in the governance and raises question against of the governance. We don't object to that. And Talibani rule, what happens in Talibani rule? Doesn't he know that? So making himself by such making a statement himself radical. So I told, okay, it is a non-serious behavior of LJP. And we don't want to comment much on Chirag because he's no political entity in Bihar. He has no mass level support, anything like that.
All
and
right,
when
right.
he support BJP and BJP supports NDA, BJP supports Nitish Kumar, BJP is with the government. What kind of, again he is making himself very radical. People are talking about that. कि आप एक हाथ को सपोर्ट करते हैं, you support BJP but not Nitish Kumar, and BJP openly supports Nitish Kumar on every issue, and BJP was in the government since last 15 years with
Well,
JDU.
that is a question. But Mr. Satyaprakash, before I go back to Mr. Bajpai, I just want to understand this from you. We've of late seen some quite awful comments and personal, very direct comments come from Nitish Kumar, something we've never heard him say in the past. He He was supposed to be Mr. Cool of this very heated Bihari politics. But what's happened to him? Of late, one after another, sometimes we see him yelling and scolding people who are standing in his rally. Sometimes we hear him talk about how many kids. There was a very direct attack at Mr. Lalu Prasad Yadav's family, Tejasvi Yadav directly.
No,
so there is some change there, isn't there? Is it frustration? Is it isolation? What is it?
No, I tell you. Understand that what kind of democratic leader is Nitish Kumar, that in front of him, you can say anything. He's a very open to every criticism. He's open to everything. And he has never lost his cool. He sometimes replied in some strong word. But that is his capacity and capability as a person of Susasan who brought Bihar to 11.3% growth rate. He provided education to all. He provided, reservation to women for, government job. He provided reservation, 50% reservation to women for panchayat and other nagar, municipal corporation. The man who worked and level, sometimes some people
let's not make political speeches over here. We're talking. Let's not do that.
I understand.
Let me bring back Mr. Bajpai. Let me bring back Mr. Bajpai on the point that you raised about the kind of influence the Chirag Paswan's party has on ground. Mr. Bajpai, essentially it's just about 6% votes that your party actually gets. Last time around, you know how many seats you got. What exactly is your hope this election? Every time you attack Nitish Kumar, what exactly are you trying to achieve by it?
I tell you, our continuous record is 6 to 12.5%. 2005, we alone fight the election, and then we secured 12.5% vote and 29 seats. This is our highest record. But apart from this Lok Sabha election, we have got 100% result. 6 members of parliament we succeeded, and we 6 only contested for the MP election. Now listen.
Are you hoping you'll make a dent in JDU votes and form government with the BJP?
We are not concerned in JDU. We are not concerned. We simply declare that the Nitish Kumar is not going to be the chief minister. And I put an example. Suppose Nitish Kumar reaches up to 25, 30 seats, and then BJP got 80 or 85 seats. Then what will happen? Nitish Kumar is a egoistic person. He will never accept the kursi of this chief ministership.
What will you do then?
And in case we succeeded to get 50 or 60 seats, then we will join with the BJP. This is what we announced from the very beginning. BJP may not announce, but we are liking the policies.
But why has BJP not announced?
BJP is not announcing this, but we are announcing. It is our self-declaration that we will form the government only with the BJP, none other. And so that is why I say it is our pre-poll alliance by way of self-declaration. We are not going to have alliance.
It can't get more clear than this. It can't get more clear than this. So I quickly want to give a 30-second response to Mr. Satyaprakash Mishra.
ये इनका एक तरफा प्यार है, वो हमसे मोहब्बत करें न करें ये तो करने का दावा भरते रहते हैं. In the last Lok Sabha election, when they contested on 6 seats, they wanted the support of JDU to win every seat. Otherwise, they would not have won one single seat if they would have gone in the Lok Sabha election alone, like this.
This is arrogant.
This time again, Chirag Paswan will not win a single seat. I tell on the NDTV, they are not going, because they're cheating. They're cheating the people. They're trying to make the people of Bihar is very, political, and they do understand what Chirag Paswan is doing. Chirag Paswan, political entity is zero in Bihar.
All right, gentlemen, we'll leave it there for the moment. Good luck. As Bihar votes for the first phase tomorrow, we'll talk through the course of these phases as well.